Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video is about conditional formatting using formula. In other words, highlight colors with desired amount or values. In case to highlight only with a single column, select only one column. Then click on conditional formatting, new rule. Then click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then write formula here. Just give reference. Reference should be a relative reference. Columns needs to be freezed. For that, just click it. Remove the row freezer. Just put 2. Then less than 0 should be red color. So condition is 0. Just click on format. Fill with red color. Then text needs to be changed so that it will be visible. Okay, the same way we have to do for positive also. For that again, same process. Create new rule equal to, it should be a relative reference. More than 0. So make it green. Bold. Click OK. To highlight entire row, just click on conditional formatting, manage rules. Then you just change here. Just select with entire row. You just select with entire range. In case it should be a cell reference, you can change it here. Again, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, then edit it here. Edit rule. Instead of 0, you just give reference. Click OK. In case if there is any variation, colors will change. In case want to apply two conditions like variance should be more than 50% and region should be a south. For that, simply just delete whatever rules exist. Just delete it. After that, first select entire range. First thing is start with and variance should be greater than 50%, comma, then region equal to south. Format with color. In case any conditional formatting, only rows and columns needs to be highlighted without any condition. For that, just remove all conditions. Then select same process. We want to highlight only three rows. Then in that case, just type mode bracket row bracket open bracket close comma 3. We want to fill with colors without any formatting. Okay. In case we want to have for columns also, we can do that. Mode column to just change here. Like that we can do without formatting also, we can do changes. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.